Do you love the dreamy country area by Wilcox Golf Course and you need lots of parking for all your toys? Hi friends, Stacy Baxter here with Magnolia Homes. Well, this lot is over an acre. It's had a bunch of fresh road-based spread, so there's tons of parking, not to mention an attached 2-car garage, plus a detached 2-car garage. You've got all the space for your toys at this one. And it comes with a beautiful house. The first thing you'll notice when you step through the front door are these big vaulted ceilings and the beautiful plantation shutters on all the windows. Having a dedicated formal living and formal dining room will give you plenty of space to spread out. I bet if I asked what's important to you in your next kitchen, you'd tell me you want lots of storage space, a ton of counter space, and updated stainless steel appliances, especially a 5-burner gas range. And this huge kitchen checks all those boxes. And you'll love this kitchen layout for daily living. It's open to the breakfast room and this huge family room, so you'll never miss a thing. It's such a huge space to spread out, yet it has a cozy feel with the wood stove and the vaulted ceilings with these beautiful beams. This beautiful country home is over 2,100 square feet. I just love that all the main areas have durable tile, which is perfect for country living. There's 3 bedrooms, all with brand new carpet and 2 full bathrooms. And you're going to love your big new primary suite. It's got vaulted ceilings, plenty of room for your big king size bed, and I just love that the slider leads out to a huge covered deck. This huge ensuite bathroom has a large dual sink vanity, a stall shower, a big soaking tub, and a spacious walk-in closet. Everything's bigger in this home, including the laundry room. It's got tons of storage and even room for an extra freezer. And not to be overlooked is this huge covered back deck. It really expands your living space, and it's got a doorway right from that big family room. So this makes it the perfect space for entertaining. Isn't this house gorgeous? If you love the idea of finally getting in this prestigious Wilcox area and having 2-car garages really fits the bill for you, plus so much outdoor parking, we'd love to show you this beautiful home on over an acre right here in Red Bluff. Call me, Stacy Baxter, my Magnolia team, at 530-209-1716. Because it's your life and it's your story. We're just trying to help you find the perfect country property in the prestigious Wilcox area to tell it in.